The next operation what we are going to perform is a knurling operation. Here a knurling tool will be utilized for performing this particular operation. Knurling tool consists of two different identical rollers which will be having cross markings on opposite directions. The upper wheel and the lower wheel will be there. The workpiece will be placed in a check and rotated at a medium RPM, and the particular workpiece has to be positioned exactly in between the position of the two rollers. Once the workpiece is being held with against the knurling tool, the oil will be utilized for reducing the friction which is being rotated. Once the depth of cut of a smaller amount is being given, the hand wheel will be rotated very slowly or gently. Means the feed rate of this particular operation will be very less compared to other operation, because the markings which is being obtained on the roller has to be impressed on the workpiece. So if the time required for making that particular thing, making the impression on the workpiece will be more. So the hand wheel will be rotated very slowly so that the cross cutting marking can be obtained on the surface of the workpieces. You can observe over there the two rollers is being rotated in the opposite direction. The workpiece is held exactly in center between the two rollers. The hand wheel is being there which is being rotated very slowly with a lesser amount of a feed rate. The markings, that is the impression which is being required, is being obtained on the surface of the workpiece. To whatever the position this particular marking is required, you need to move the tool along that particular direction. The excess amount of oil will be removed lastly with the help of a waste.